Hey, adventurers! Have you ever experienced the raw, untamed beauty of Nepal's monsoon waterfalls? Today I'm taking you on a journey through some of the most breathtaking cascades you must see. First on the list, the mesmerizing Bhote Koshi Waterfall, tucked away in the Patale Chhango district. This waterfall roars to life during the monsoon. The powerful surge of water surrounded by lush greenery is a sight you'll never forget. Standing at the base, you'll feel the mist on your face and the sheer power of nature in every drop. It's an adrenaline rush like no other. Next up, the stunning Devi's fall in Pokhara. Also known as Patale Chhango, this waterfall is a true marvel. During the monsoon, the water volume increases dramatically, creating a thunderous spectacle. The legend behind its name adds a touch of mystery and allure to your visit. It's not just a sight to see, it's a story to experience. Let's not forget the beautiful Hyatung Waterfall. Hidden in the Sankhawasabha district, it's the tallest waterfall in Nepal. The monsoon rains transform it into a magnificent torrent that cascades down 365 meters. Imagine standing there surrounded by the roar of water and a canvas of vibrant greens. It's pure, unfiltered nature at its best. Then there's the enchanting thunderous waterfall, located close to Kathmandu. Perfect for a quick escape, this waterfall is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. The hike to Thunderous is an adventure in itself, with winding trails and the soothing sound of flowing water guiding you. It's a refreshing oasis just a short trip away from the bustling city. Finally, the breathtaking Rani Jarana or Queen Waterfall in the Hyatung district. This hidden gem is less frequented by tourists, making it a perfect spot for those seeking solitude. The monsoon season brings it to life, with crystal clear water cascading down the rocky cliffs. It's a serene and majestic spot that leaves you in awe of nature's splendor. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and get ready to chase these incredible waterfalls. Nepal's monsoon season is calling, and these natural wonders are waiting for you. Until next time, keep exploring. Catch you on the next adventure.